I was really lucky to be able to get into the photography studio on an interesting day. I just wanted to show you a few of the pictures from my visit there. The environment was really print rich. The organization was amazing. The teacher had obviously spent a lot of time color coding, finding really innovative ways to store things like tripods. The technology was awesome. And I'm going to add that she's actually married to a school board member. No conflict of interest there, but she had a plethora of technology, including this Apple TV, which we do not have in all of our classrooms. And then over here, we've got her second classroom. She's got a studio and then a tech lab. And it was really great space for learning and moving and being active. The students were highly engaged in the project. Her assessment, it was hard to tell, but she explained it to me during her interview, which was why I was happy I interviewed the same person that I observed. But it includes hanging their work on the wall and a little bit of self reflection from the students.